This is my video for CIS220, September 27th week. This week we were given a screen builder program by the professor and then given the task of updating it and adding a little bit of extra functionality to it since he did it pretty fast and it's our job to get it fully working. So this is my updated version, and I didn't change too much because I think the original program was pretty good. Here's the original program. There's not too much difference between the two. See if I can fit them both in here. There. At the top, I just add in my name. Then we go through here, and almost all of this is the exact same, but I do add in a couple extras near the bottom. We add an extra question for what do you want the input line to say. I also corrected a couple of the inputs just to make them a little bit cleaner so that, it looks a little nicer. We also, down at the bottom, we added a couple other things like changing the input so that it adds in the program input question. And that's about the only change that we did on this one. This one was a little bit shorter of a video because we really just, the program that we were given works pretty well, and we just added a couple things to make it a little bit cleaner, and hopefully that will get this program up and running to what we want it to be. And that's the end of this video.